Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I bring you another DIY video. If you want to see what is in this bottle, please keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure to give this video a thumbs up because it do help my channel a lot. So guys, in today's video we are going to be making clove oil. I did clove water challenge that lasted for 7 days and I was really amazed by the results. Like, it left my hair feeling very soft and it added more volume to my hair. So I went ahead to do the oil today. So I'm just going to be adding 3 tablespoons of clove. Guys, you may be wondering what are the benefits of clove. Clove helps in hair growth. It helps in regeneration of hair growth and it helps to strengthen the roots of your hair. It also helps in retaining length. So if you're looking out to retain the length of your hair, you really need to make this oil. And clove also treats dandruff. So guys, what I have here is this clove seed, which I'm going to be blending into a fine powder so that it can infuse into the oil very well. So guys, next thing I'm going to do is to add the blended clove to my carrier oil, which is a combination of coconut oil and extra virgin olive oil. Guys, you will notice that I added half cup of olive oil. That's because I noticed that olive oil doesn't really do well for my hair. It kind of just leaves my hair dried. So I just added a little bit of olive oil and made sure that the coconut oil was much so that it can overpower the olive oil. And I feel like that is what every naturalista must understand. Like, you must know what works for your hair and what doesn't work for your hair so that you will not end up doing too much. So guys, at this point I'm going to leave the mixture to sit in a very hot water for at least 30 minutes. Then I'll proceed to the next step. The reason why I'm doing this is because I want the oil to be hot so that the infusion can start immediately. So guys, at this point you agree with me that the oil has started changing the color already. So I'm just going to wrap it up with the foil and I'm going to leave it in a dry area for at least 7 days. Within the 7 days, I'm going to make it a habit of always going to shake it every time. So guys, it's 5 days later and I couldn't wait 2 more days, so I'm going to be unwrapping this to see what we have inside here. Wow guys, can you see how colorful this is looking? Guys, I don't think this video is actually doing justice to what I'm seeing here. The brown is now very deep, meaning that it has properly infused into the oil. So I'm going to filter the oil and I'll pour it into my bottle and keep it. I'm going to be using this oil as my regular oil. I'll use it to pre-poo. I'll use it to seal in moisture. I'm going to be using it as my regular oil to massage my scalp every day, at least once in a week or twice in a week. And I really hope it's going to be effective as the water was effective. Guys, do let me know what you think about this. Let me know if you happen to try this out. Let me know what you think and let me know how it was for you. And if there's any DIY you want me to make, please leave it in the comment section and I will surely make that. Please, if you watched to this point and you're not subscribed to my channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button you're seeing by the right side of this video and make sure to turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I have a new video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share this video and leave your comment down below because this really helps my video a lot and you're also telling me what you want me to be posting. Till I see you in my next video coming up pretty soon. Stay safe. Bye bye.